Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here in Moseley and I'm about to go foraging today for some berries, some winter berries, things that are going to help with fighting back illnesses, etc. So I will be sharing some videos on how to make certain juices and concoctions that will help you to fight away the bugs this winter. So I will be sharing some photographs and some short videos along the way. Hope you enjoy it, and please remember to subscribe and share this video amongst your friends. So I've never done foraging before. No, tell a lie. I've done it once and I tried to video it, but my battery failed me on the day. So I'm here and I've got my bag and I've got my tools. What have I got in here? I've got my clippers. Can't see. I've got my clippers, gloves. I've got bags to put all my berries and things into. I've got my gloves here and got myself a little packed lunch. You know, so I'm here for the day. So I'm just looking out for my friend. She's coming soon. Got a flask of what have I got in there. So I'm really excited because this is free food. This is like great. I've just discovered this foraging thing and I really love it. I love the idea of actually just going out into you know, your local areas, park areas, and just finding food, and beneficial food as well, you know, that God put here for us to have, to heal our bodies and to nourish us. So it's really exciting. So I will be sharing a little bit more about this in some of my future videos as well. Hope you enjoy it. So what does this apple mint?
It's like, it's mint, it's a type of mint.
Yeah,
So
and get a cutting of that then.
it's a type of mint. Look, you see this? They started putting the gardening stuff back in the shop. They had these in
This is a fig tree. And here. Oh, but no figs. No figs today.
Yeah.
So mugwort.
Yeah,
This is mugwort. Okay.
Careful.
And this is for drinking.
Look at, look at this one here. What's this one?
That looks like sage.
Does it?
I'm gonna take some of this, I think, and just see if I can
Hedge woodwort.
pull it out.
Hedge nettle.
No, I'm gonna have to cut this. So I've come across a. What have you done? I've come across this lovely apple tree, so I'm going to take some of these and take a cutting as well. It's a beautiful apple tree. Mushrooms, I won't be picking any of those. Beautiful little plant.
This is called earth apple. Oh wow! This is Jerusalem artichoke. Like
Jerusalem artichoke.
It's like potato. Yeah.
You kidding me?
I've
So
got
we
it in
dig
the
some more.
garden.
Where are we? So this is a cooking apple cutting, which I'm going to put in a pot, and I'll get some in a couple of years time, some nice cooking Bramley apples probably. There we have some comfrey. This is very good for your plants. Smells really bad apparently, but it's very good. I'm going to get some more of that in a minute. Oh, butternut squash and stuff. Wow. I cut two of my pumpkin by accident. Is this chard? I think it's chard in here. There's chard. Well, I think so. It is. I've just planted some chard. Yeah. This is it, isn't it?
Yes.
This is chard.
Yes. Yeah. I cooked that. It's beautiful.
Yeah. Look at this lovely pumpkin here. Look at that. It's great. This is all at the local park. We've got more spinach here. God, it looks like someone's abandoned an allotment area in the park, and there's just lots of things just growing beautifully here. It's a shame to let it go to waste. Just looking for some more pumpkin. It's amazing. I love growing different things, I tell you.
I just wanted berries.
So, yellow.
This
is yellow. Yellow raspberry.
Maybe we'll find some, I don't know.
Yellow
Because
raspberry.
we're almost the end of September, aren't we? Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, there's some more. There's some more yellow raspberry. So I've got a cutting of that to take back with me. We've got lots of things so far, and deep into the woods now. Deep into the woods, but it's exciting.
No.
Tell me what this is again, because I'm doing a video.
It's Himalayan nutmeg.
Himalayan nutmeg. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, listen to the birds. It's lovely being out in nature. Right, I'm back at home and I've been out all day foraging in my local area, and I have come back with an abundance, as I just showed you. And what I'm going to do now is put everything in water, and some of the things I will have to either freeze or boil, make jam or a syrup, or some of them I will be replanting, with the ones with the roots on, and the ones without the roots I'll be rooting those and then planting them for next year. So I had a fantastic day, and I will be back to show you what I'm going to do. So these are the cranberries that I foraged. Some of them, got quite a lot, and then I've just put some ginger with it and a little bit of dark brown sugar, or you can use maple syrup, and I'm going to try and attempt to make a cordial with it. Right, so the cranberries have boiled and popped, and then that took about, not long, 10 minutes. I left it on a little bit longer actually, and then I put some ginger in there. I grated some ginger, and I also just bashed a few pieces and put them in and let that just steep for about 15 minutes. So now I'm going to drain all that off, press it through a sieve and see how it tastes. So I've sieved and mashed out all the pulp, and I pop it back into a pot with some more ginger, and I taste it, and it tastes nice and lightly sweet, not too heavy on the sugar. And I'm going to see if I can reduce this down and make a syrup. I'm going to see how that goes. But so far so good. As you can see, the mixture is thickening. Whoops. It doesn't have the bright colour of cranberries, but then I did use brown sugar in there. But I'm not sure whether to turn it off. And as it cools, it will thicken. I think it will. And I'll give it 5 more minutes, then I'll cool it down. Then I'll come back and show you. So this is the syrup. Steam again. It's quite thick. I'm going to have to sieve that again. Very pleased so far. Okay, so I'm about to make cranberry and ginger cordial. Got a glass with some ice, and I'm going to pop this in. Put a little bit on there. Oops. And then some water. And that's the colour of it. Let's see what it tastes like. Really nice. Beautiful drink. That's lovely. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.